Good afternoon, everyone. It is class class number 9 on December 9th for English 8B at KIT Iizuka. Okay, we got a couple things that we want to do today, but first I want to tell you that next week, I'm going to show you here. Next week on December 16th, you have a writing article here. Okay, now that writing article will be available after class begins. You'll be able to read it. And then after you read it, try to very quickly, there's a question that you have to answer, but think of the answer, read the article quickly, and then you'll have 30 minutes to write. Now, we've done that before, but that's something we're going to do again next week. So get prepared for that. In preparation for that, I'm going to give you a little bit more work from the textbook that I'm using for this class called Basic Academic Reading Skills, BARS, B-A-R-S. We'll be looking at the definitions, explanations, and examples today, and then doing some in-class partner work. If we get that done, we'll be able to do a little bit of this Quizlet and the Quizlet Live, and that you'll be able to use when you do the writing next week. The Quizlet that you'll practice here will be for that. Now, if we don't have time to do this Quizlet, because it depends on how quickly we can do the textbook work, if we don't have time to do the Quizlet, then the Quizlet set is right here. If you go here in Quizlet, you'll be able to study these words yourself and use them so that you can understand a little bit more easily when we do the reading next week. So I suggest to you that if we don't have time, because we were working very hard on the textbook work, that you still, in your own time after class, before next week, that you take a look at this study set for Quizlet, and that'll help you for your writing next week. But I hope to give you some time to be able to do that here today. Okay, remember that if you ever have any questions, if you just go here to general class information, that'll take you to the top, and you'll see my email here. Send me an email if you have a question. If not, stay behind or just raise your hand, pardon me, during any class, and I'll try to answer your questions for you. Okay, thanks very much.